In this tutorial, we are going to build a calculator using if-else. Okay, let me make a file I'm going to call it calculator with if-else. So I'm going to call it calculator if. Okay. So, well, to build a calculator, what you need is basically, so let's just say we're going to build a simple calculator basically. So we'll take two inputs from the user, uh, first number and second number, and then we are going to ask the user what mathematical operation they want to perform, and then that's it. So let's say I'm going to take first number, I'm going to call it A, and in MATLAB, to take input from the user, to basically take a number input from the user, this is the command that we use. And this is how MATLAB is going to take input. But if you want to tell the user what input you want, you can put that inside single quotation here. So let's say I want to say uh, choose your first number, B, that would be our second number. Okay, come on, choose your second number. Okay, there is, okay, let's just leave some space so that it's convenient for user. Okay, and then we're gonna need the operator, what operation he wants to perform. So the text that I want to show him is, what do you want to do with these numbers? So what operation do you want to perform? Let's just say that. And then, because this time the operator is going to be either plus sign, minus sign, maybe multiplication asterisk sign, all these are treated in MATLAB as a string. So this time you're gonna have to tell is MATLAB that the user is supposed to give me a string, and that you can do by putting these three things here in single quotation. Just put as. That's how MATLAB knows that the user is gonna input a string. Okay, and now what we are gonna do, we are gonna check whether the operator matches with plus sign. Does it match with plus? If so, what you are gonna have to do is create a variable called sum and store in it addition of a and b, and then display what? Display, here is the answer, and then print answer. So what you can do is you can basically first, in the first line you can print here's the answer, and then you can print in the second line simply answer, which is sum, right? But if you don't want to do that, you want to print in the same line, what you can do is, let me show you. Let me first delete that. You can concatenate the string with the number. So here you can see that in the first line it will print here is the answer, but I don't want it to print just the string. I want to print a string alongside with the number. So what the one way that we can do is we can concatenate this string, here's the answer, with the sum value, which will be the number. And to concatenate, let me show you how we concatenate here. So concatenation is basically a fancy word for combining. Okay, so I'm gonna put this inside the square brackets, comma, and then separate that. Okay, and then there is this keyword that will convert my number in a string, and that is num to a string. And what is that number that we want to convert in a string? Well, that is sum. That's it. So this is how basically you can combine the string with the number and print it. Let me run that. Okay, oh no, I always forget this. And okay, choose your first number. Let me enlarge it. My first number is gonna be 1, second number is gonna be 2, The action that I want to perform is addition. Done. 1 plus 2 does happen to be 3. Okay, what if I wanna, let me make it comprehensive, like we wanna create like a larger calculator. So I'm gonna do if else if I wanna check whether the operator is a multiplication sign. So asterisk, if it's asterisk, the product variable should be created and it should store product of A and B, and then it should display. Let me just copy paste that. Why write? I'm not lazy, but yeah, kinda. Okay, here is the answer, and then you need to convert product into this string and then print it. Perfect. They should work. And then let's check one more operator. Maybe division. That seems nice. Okay, enter, and then div. What we want to do is we want to store A over B and then display. Let me paste that. Div. That's it. Let me run. Okay, choose your first number. My first number is gonna be 8. My second number is gonna be maybe 3. And the operation, let me perform division. Okay, here's the answer, 2.66. I guess it works. Yeah, that must be correct answer. Okay, anyway, so yep, that's it. That's how you build a basic calculator. In the next video, we are going to see how to build a basic calculator using switch case. Thanks.